Hello everyone and welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're cleaning and decluttering my wash shed. I'm totally embarrassed to say that this shed hasn't been decluttered in probably a couple years. With everything we've been doing inside the house, this shed was kind of pushed to the back burner. So come along with me as we clean and declutter my wash shed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as I said, this poor wash shed has been put off for quite a while now. And since we finally have a break from doing all the renovations on the inside of the house, I can now focus my efforts on the outside. This wash shed is the first of my 5 sheds that I want to get cleaned and decluttered. For me, it was the most important to start with the washroom because that's what I use on a daily basis, and this poor shed has become my catch-all shed. It has everything in it, and most of it does not belong. So it really, really needed this attention.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret. us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night. This summer night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This summer night. This summer night. Oh, this summer night.
As we're pulling everything out of this shed, we're looking through it to determine whether it's garbage or it's going to be donated, or if it's going to be something that's going to be kept. All the things that are going to be kept would be put into a pile and gone through to determine if it's going back in the wash shed or if it's going in one of the other sheds where it actually belongs.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it.
This sink was so gross. I don't even know how it got this way because I don't remember ever actually using this sink for anything because it had other stuff in it and it was just piling up. But when we emptied it out and I saw this, I had to clean it. And when I cleaned it, it was seriously satisfying to see the difference.
And I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless.
I don't know what happened, but for some reason my camera stopped recording at one point, and I don't even know when that was. I wasn't paying attention. I swept the whole floor and I washed the fridge and the freezer and the washer and dryer, only to realize none of it was recorded. So I have no evidence that I did it other than the fact that it's all clean and it wasn't before.
Every night it still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, but love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
I hope you enjoyed today's clean and declutter video. We ended up donating a ton of stuff, and we made so much more room in my wash shed. Now we're moving on to the remaining 4 sheds, and I can't wait to show you all the difference. Don't forget to like and comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. And so that you never miss a video, especially the sheds that I'm going to be posting, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But until the next video, thank you for watching.